Hello. Today we'll see the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, exercise 8.4. We need to prove the question number 5. Prove the following. Here we need to prove that cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2 sec A. So we need to prove it. Let's start with the left hand side. So we are having the left hand side cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. What can we do in starting? So first of all, let's take the LCM. So this cos will multiply with this cos. So this cos square A will become plus this 1 plus sin A will multiply with here. So 1 plus sin A whole square. In denomination, cos A with 1 plus sin A. Chalo. So I am having one identity with me, that is for cos square A, that is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So if I will use value for the cos A, so it will become cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. So I am going to put the value of cos square from this identity equal to 1 minus sin square A. Then I am having all the second identity, that is A plus B whole square. Here I can write A square plus 2AB plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, so I can apply this identity with 1 plus sin A whole square. Okay, so plus A square means 1 square, so 1 square is 1 plus sin square A plus 2 into A into B, so 2 into 1 into sin A, so it will become only 2 sin A. In denomination, cos A 1 plus sin A. So you can see here this sin square A and this sin square A will be nullified because this is minus 1, this is plus, this is 1 and this is 1 will become 2. So 2 plus 2 sin A in denomination cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay, equal to, I am going to take 2 as a common from here. So 2, so 1 plus sin A upon cos A 1 plus sin A. You can see here we can nullify this 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A. So remaining is 2 into 1 upon cos A is equal to 1 upon cos A is equal to sec A. So our answer is 2 sec A, that is our right hand side.